In this video, we will learn about measurement of temperature. See, when you touch a piece of ice, you feel cold. When you touch hot tea or coffee, you feel hot. So the physical quantity which tells us how hot or cold an object is called a temperature. In other words, temperature of an object is the degree of hotness or coldness of the object. Now the SI unit of temperature is Kelvin with the capital K as the symbol. Now in daily life, temperature is commonly expressed in degree Celsius. Now thermometers are the device used to measure this temperature. As per our need, there are different types of thermometer that we use. Laboratory thermometer. So a common laboratory thermometer consists of a fine capillary tube of a glass having a uniform bore. At one end of the capillary tube, there is a thin glass bulb provided. This is a thin glass bulb. Now the bulb is filled with pure mercury. Now on the other end of the capillary tube, it is sealed after removing air from it. Now, the capillary tube is protected by a thick glass called the stem. So, this is the capillary tube and this is the stem part. Now, there are markings made on the stem. These are called degrees. So, this is minus 10 degrees up to 110 degrees. Generally, a laboratory thermometer has graduations from minus 10 degrees Celsius to 110 degree Celsius. Now, three commonly used temperature scales are given below, which are Celsius scale of temperature. So, it was proposed by a Swedish scientist, Andreas Celsius. Now, in this scale, the lower fixed point, that is this point, is taken as 0 degree Celsius, and the upper fixed point is taken as 100 degree Celsius. So, the space between the two fixed point is divided into 100 equal parts. Okay, and each part represents 1 degree Celsius. Now, 1 degree Celsius is also called as degree centigrade. Second is the Kelvin scale of temperature. As per this scale, the lower fixed point is taken as 273 Kelvin instead of 0 degree Celsius. The space is still divided into 100 equal parts and the upper fixed point is 373 Kelvin in place of 100 degrees Celsius. Now, each part is known as 1 Kelvin. Each part of these 100 division is known as 1 Kelvin. Now, it is also to be noted that the Kelvin scale, we do not use the word degree. The size of 1 degree Celsius is exactly same as size of 1 Kelvin. Now, there is a temperature rise of an object or falls by 1 degree Celsius, then the corresponding rise or fall in Kelvin scale is also 1 Kelvin. However, if the temperature on the Celsius scale is 20 Celsius, then corresponding temperature on the Kelvin scale will be 273 plus 20, that is 293 Kelvin. Okay. The third one is the Fahrenheit scale. It was proposed by the German scientist G.D. Fahrenheit. In this scale, the lower fixed point is 32 degree Fahrenheit and upper fixed point is 212 degree Fahrenheit. The space is divided into 180 equal parts and each part is called 1 Fahrenheit. So the lower fixed point on the scale Celsius is 0 degree Celsius, Kelvin it's 273 Kelvin and Fahrenheit is 32 degree Fahrenheit. The upper fixed point is 100 degree Celsius for the Celsius scale, 373 Kelvin for the Kelvin scale and 212 degree Fahrenheit for Fahrenheit scale. The division between the 2 points in Celsius and Kelvin scale, these are 100 divisions. Now in Fahrenheit there are 180 divisions. Now let us do a simple activity to find the temperature of water. We need an iron stand, a laboratory thermometer and a beaker. The procedure is very simple. You have to take an iron stand and suspend a laboratory thermometer from it. Take water in a beaker up to half of its height. Now place the beaker containing water under the thermometer so that the bulb of the thermometer is completely dipped into the water. However, this bulb shouldn't be touching the walls or the bottom of the beaker. Now wait for 2 minutes and read the temperature on the scale corresponding to the free end of the mercury thread. This temperature of water is what the actual temperature is. Now, while noting the reading, the eye should be kept at the level of mercury thread. Okay, I hope this topic is clear to you. Thank you.